welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please stay, make yourselves at home. So I am going to take you guys with me, like a vlog style video, because we are going away this weekend on like a girls trip kind of staycation for one of my best friend's 21st birthday. We're going to the Berg for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, for 4 days, and I'm gonna vlog the whole trip and share it with you guys. So if you would like to see that, please just keep watching.
Ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the drive-thru? Order my food. Let's stay up all night. Let's pretend we're alright in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do.
Draait u? Hoe voelen jullie?
Lekker? Nou niet meer.
Morgen. Eggs. And Sinai on the eggs.
On the bacon.
Tegan on the rolls. Nadine on the...
Nothing.
Ja, Kyla on the cheese. En dan Sinai op alles anders wat.
I think about your day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the drive-thru? Order my food. Let's stay up all night. Let's pretend we're alright in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know
so I just got home. It is like 5:30 p.m. I am pooped. I'm very, very tired. We went tubing this morning and it was like such a beautiful day. It was like the perfect day. It was so hot, so sunny. And then on the way home, we drove through literally the worst hailstorm that I have ever seen during my 21 years of life on this planet. It was so bad. We couldn't see anything. The car has so many black marks on it from the hail. But yeah, I am home now. I had such a good weekend. It was so relaxing. It was so nice to just chill with my friends, and yeah, I had a really, really good time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of vlog style video, just let me know. But yeah, see you guys next time.